In this video, we will show you how to add reply to responder email on Zoho Forms. In the previous tutorial, we have shown you how to creating a form, and we created where data questionnaire. And if we see in the settings and see on the notifications, we before created the email notification to our email address itself. Okay, you can see this notification will send to our email address. But the question is, how if we want to reply to sender or to responder email? If we click reply to, you can see we cannot add the responder email. You can see. Okay, the requirement is if you want to using the reply to and using the responder email. Okay, the responder email actually is here. Okay, you need to select the from email is using your own email address. For example, we have cs@weirdata.com. Okay, now if we select the our own email address, we can using the reply to into the email. Okay, the email is currently in this email field. So if we have the notification, we can reply to the sender email via our email address, of course. Okay, this is to enable the email. You need to using this email address. And how to add this email address? To add this email address, you must have your own email using your own domain name. Okay, I will click yes. I will not save here. And then you can go to this and select control panel. And after that, in here, you can choose DKIM configurations. You can add your domain name here. Okay, you can add your domain name using this, for example. And for example, google.com, you can add. After that, you can verify your domain name, and you can have your email address with your domain name. And that's all tutorial how to enable reply to using the responder email on Zoho Forms. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.